Hello everyone, I'm Polu Vaishnavidhi. I'm a student here at Vedantu Nizambet, Hyderabad. I've joined 2 years back in the very first batch of Vedantu here, and I've enjoyed my journey so far.
So, like in that overall journey, what do you think? Like, what was the turning point of your life in that preparation?
All the time I was more like towards perfection, like I should score 100% in everything and all. But I think this journey taught me that whatever the efforts we put in, sometimes they might not give the efforts we actually want, but they will help us learn better for the next attempt every time. Even though I felt like I hit the pit bottom of my journey because of low marks or whatever, I've seen that I will be able to stand up better the next time because I already have an experience of what I made mistakes in and what I've learned so far.
Yeah, that's very great. You're going to write the advance also. What made you feel like that the improvement has been done? So what do you find that how Vedantu help you in that entire journey?
So Vedantu has this system of constant feedbacks in between. Like whenever you're feeling low or whenever you feel like talking to someone, teachers are actually open to you talking with them. And I think that helped me a lot. When I was going through my exams and all, I usually, whenever I get low marks or whatever, I tend to get too tensed about it or depressed about it. But my teachers helped me get a better look on it, I think. And I'm more of a pessimist kind of person, not the most optimist kind of person. But I think my teachers helped me build a better outlook on how I look at the exams and my failures, not just what I'm achieving. So I think overall they helped me gain a better way to tackle the competitive exams as themselves, not just the subject and the matter.
So my next question is, like, tell me one thing, like how like in the journey of 2 years, how Vedantu helped you? Like what was you on the first day, and now like after finishing the first JEE mains attempt also, which you qualified with the very good marks. So how you feel like that, how Vedantu nourished you in this process?
Sir, again, when you start with my 10th class self who just passed out of 10th, regardless of whatever success I achieved, I was a very nervous student. But overall, along the journey, I think I improved myself in overthinking bit and all. And I think I'm actually now able to focus on the exam itself rather than other factors like what will I score or what will I do later on, but actually focus on the present at that moment. I think I learned better how to live in the present rather than worry about the future or look upon my failures in the past.
So, like, the next question is, what you're gonna advise for your juniors, like those who are recently joined for the preparation, or what do you want to give the advice to the juniors?
Sir, one of the main things about the preparation itself is actually the start is a major part. When you're about to start a chapter, the main thing you look upon is not mainly the textbooks but the notes which you are preparing. And if you're already preparing short notes from the start, it will be very helpful in the end because you won't need to spend excess time on it. I feel that even though I wrote short notes in my first year, it was in random sheets rather than a particular book, and I had to redo all those short notes again, and I felt that I did waste a bit of my time on that even though it wasn't exactly useless. And I think, like, if I'm to advise a first year, is you starting to put up the short notes or preparing the short notes for your revision would be better if you start on the first day itself rather than trying to make them in the end, so that you won't have to waste more time on the short notes, but you'll have more time to revise what you've learned, and you'll get more time to practice the questions rather than trying to write all the short notes at once.
Thank you so much, Vaishnavi, for the words and advice.